Hi guys, Rubin Aka here. What is the difference between adoption and foster care? Before we talk about the differences, let's look at in what ways they're similar. In both adoption and foster care, children do grow up in homes. They are provided with a domestic environment. They are considered as non-institutional care, alternative domestic care family based services. Now, coming to the differences, I want to tell you both these concepts are very clearly defined in JJ Act. If you look at adoption, in subsection 2 of section 2, adoption is stated like this. It is a process in which a child is permanently separated from his or her biological parents and placed in adoptive parents, where the adoptive parents would receive legal status as parents with rights, privileges, and responsibilities that are attached to such a relationship. Now, coming to the foster care definition, it is found in subsection 29 of section 2, where it is stated like this. It is a placement of a child by the Child Welfare Committee for the purposes of alternative care in a domestic environment of a family that is other than the biological family of a child, which is selected, approved, and monitored for providing such care by the state. So as you can see, these two are somewhat same or similar, but they have major differences. So this video is going to talk about what are those major differences. If I have to say it in one sentence or one phrase, it would be parental rights. You remember the definition of adoption is saying they're permanently separated from the biological parents and given the legal parent status to the adoptive parents. So when the process, that is, an adoption process is completed, adoptive parents becomes the legal parents of a child and continues to live in a home. But whereas in a foster care, Child Welfare Committee identifies the children who need to grow up in a domestic environment of a family, and DCPU identifies or selects, approves the families, and these two are matched and placed in this family for a temporary period of time or for an extended period of time if the family desires so, to provide domestic environment of a family. But this family in foster care will always be a guardian, but not a lawful parent. In which means, state can take this child away at any time they want, or you could surrender this child and return the child at any time you want. The temporary status will always be there in foster care, whereas there is permanency in adoption.